Gusto mo na din bang simulang mag-save sa MP2 Savings or Modified Pag-ibig 2 ng Pag-ibig Fund? So first is kailangan muna nating mag-enroll. Pwedeng online, pwede din namang direct sa Pag-ibig branch. So dito sa online enrollment, ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box. I-enter natin dito yung ating Pag-ibig number, yung last name, first name, and then yung date of birth in the format of month, day, and year. Ilalagay din yung code sa baba and then click submit. And then, enter natin yung desired monthly contribution. Any amount will do. Don't worry kasi pwede namang i-edit yung amount. Kumbaga wala siyang fixed monthly contribution. And then, enter lang din yung preferred dividend payout, whether it is annually or within or after the 5-year term. Then, select the mode of payment. Pwede salary deduction, over-the-counter, or through any accredited Pag-ibig collecting agents. Then, select source of funds. Madami namang pilian. And then, kung wala sa pilian, pwede mong piliin yung other income sources. Click lang yung submit. And then, mare-redirect na dito sa enrollment form printing. Print lang natin to and then save for future reference. Kung makikita mo dito sa upper right part, nandito na yung 12-digit MP2 account number. Then, start na natin magbayad through GCash. So, first is maglalagin lang ako sa Pag-ibig virtual account. Enter lang yung email and then yung password. And then, click login. Dito sa left part, andito yung MP2 savings. Kung makikita mo, unable to retrieve your record, you may try at a later time. Hindi agad-agad na po-post sa system ni Pag-ibig yung enrollment. Kailangan natin mag-antay within few days para ma-update yung record. So, kung magbabayad naman tayo, click natin yung Pay Online under Payments. And then, dito pala, clinic ko muna yung credit card. Pero hindi yan yung babayaran ko kasi sa credit or debit card is meron siyang almost 2% service charge or convenience fee. Later on, papalitan ko yung payment method. So, enter ko lang dito yung MP2 savings account number and then click verify. Automatically siyang lalabas yung record and then click natin yung MP2 savings. Kung hindi yung amount na nilagay natin kanina, pwede din namang nating i-edit. And then yung covered period niya is within January 2024 or within 1 month. Kung makikita mo dito sa baba, meron siyang convenience fee na 52 pesos. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina na mataas yung service charge kapag credit card. So, mag-switch na lang ako sa GCash. Ayan, naka-auto-compute naman na siya na 5 pesos lang yung additional fee. So, dito na lang ako sa GCash. Then, click next. Enter natin yung billing address. Complete lang natin yung address. And then yung member's mobile number. dito pala nakahiwalay yung first 4 digit and then yung 7 digit, a total of 11 mobile digits. Then, enter lang din yung member's email address, yung code, and then click yung agree, and then click next. Double check lang din yung details, and then proceed na tayo. In case ganito yung lalabas, invalid request, don't worry kasi pwede din naman natin i-reload yan. And click na natin yung GCash para ma-process na yung payment. And then, login lang sa GCash account. And automatic na siya pay sa Pag-ibig Fund or HDMF. Ayan, nakalagay dito payment successful na. So, ayan yung transaction ID. Pwede natin i-screenshot yan. As well as ito, nakalagay na ganito, pay online. Then, meron sa baba na merchant reference number. Pwede natin i-screenshot yan para meron tayong reference or copy ng payment. So, yun lang. Madali lang yan. Log out na lang natin. Siguro yung sa aking case, after 3 or 4 days,